Hi English 10 and welcome to Mrs. Collins' Canvas course. This video is going to focus in on Module 2, Week 3 of your summer school assignments. Assignment 5 and 6 are going to be focusing in on the shared idea of a video called Summer's Choice. It's a short documentary about a young girl. In this situation, you are going to watch the film. And for assignment 5, based off of the film, you are going to be responding to these questions listed below. And please be sure to use complete sentences. It's one thing that Mrs. Collins is looking for. So your sentence should begin with a capital letter and end with some punctuation. Once you have finished typing up your sentences in response to the questions, you are going to hit Submit Quiz. If you go back to your home page, those of you that may have an issue with Assignment 5 not showing the video, there will be a second video underneath that you can click on and you don't have to worry about it getting blocked from YouTube. Assignment number 6 is going to tell you to make a decision, and it's going to be an essay. In this situation, you are going to, based off of watching the short documentary Summer's Choice, you have seen the difficult choice Summer had to make about whether she should stay home and take care of her family or go off to art school. Think about a time in your life when you had to make a decision and write about it as an essay. Please take a look at the directions below and follow them carefully. So your task is to write a personal narrative. You're going to tell your own story about a time in your life when you had to make a hard decision. Now, this isn't about which outfit to wear on the first day of school. Truly take the time to reflect on this. Some questions you should consider when writing your essay. What happened? What are the steps that led to your decision? Tell your story. Who was involved? When and where did all of this happen? Did you make your decisions over a long period of time, or did it happen suddenly? How did this decision affect you and the people around you? What are some of the results and consequences of your decision? What positive or negative things have happened in your life since you've made your decision? What advice would you give to someone struggling to make the decision you made? Do you regret the decision you made, or do you stand by it? Your requirements. You must have a minimum of 600 words. If you're having trouble with the word count, use Microsoft Word. It will count it in the bottom left-hand corner as you are typing. You must have at least 4 paragraphs, and you must tell your story in chronological order with a clear beginning, middle, and ending. So, important information to keep in check. Make sure that when you are typing your essay, that you try to type it in Microsoft Word first and then copy and paste it into the text box here on Canvas, just so that way if there's a glitch in Canvas, you're not losing all of your writing. Once you're finished and you've double checked and you've read over your essay, hit Submit Quiz and you have submitted your 6th assignment for Week 3, Module 2. If you have any questions, make sure to reach out to Mrs. Collins or I to get some assistance.